Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you guys about the most important thing that is in the human body. Two parts, the voluntary actions and the involuntary actions. So voluntary actions, all the actions that are in our control, जो भी हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं हम खुद से we can do it, that is in our control, that is willingly, what we do willingly. We want to do something, these sort of things are known as the voluntary actions. And the things that are not in our control, हम उन्हें control नहीं कर सकते. For example, we cannot control our excretory system, we cannot control our body organs, we cannot control the supply of blood, we cannot control the inflow and outflow of oxygen and carbon dioxide. However, what we can control is known as voluntary actions, और जो भी हम control नहीं कर पाते, which we cannot control, is known as the involuntary actions, or in another words known as the reflex actions. Reflex action का एक पूरा mechanism होता है, it's a process. What process is that when you see a hot object, an object, कोई भी चीज़ है, कोई भी object is known as the stimulus. You see the stimulus and you feel and you touch it. So you have the sensory receptors on your skin. So sensory receptors gets activated, and when you touch that particular thing, your senses, your sensory receptors, your pain receptors, they get stimulated. Once your pain receptors gets stimulated, the impulses are sent to the spinal cord. Why? Because spinal cord acts as a terminal for the nerves to move. तो हमारी nerve cells जो move हो रहे हैं, there are thousands and thousands of nerve cells in the human body, and they are working for the betterment of human only. The spinal cord is connected from the brain of a human till the pelvic region, that is known as the hip bone, also the pelvic region. So nerves, the spinal cord is they act as in like a terminal for a human body. So your impulses are sent to the spinal cord along with the fiber of a sensory nerve. So your sensory nerve, it sends the signal to your spinal cord. From the spinal cord, there is another nerve known as the relay nerve, as in a messenger nerve. It acts as a messenger. It sends the signal to the brain. Impulses are sent along with the fiber to just the messages that are coming from the brain to your part, the sensory receptor part. That nerve is known as the motor nerve. So your impulses are sent along the fiber of a motor nerve cell to a muscle. So the motor nerve cell, it sends the signal to the muscle. The muscle contracts, and in reaction, what you do is that you just move your hand away from the stimulus. So when you touch a hot object, if it's hot, how we detect it? Through our reflex actions, and it's an involuntary action. We cannot control it. If you keep on holding to the hot object, you may get burned, and this your brain detects it and sends signal from your brain through the motor nerve cells with the help of a fiber, and you get the signal that this particular object or this particular stimulus is hot and is going to hurt you. So these are the small reflex actions. This is just one example of a reflex action. There are so many other examples, but for the understanding, we can say that reflex action is all about the involuntary actions that we cannot control. So with that, I am done with the video. Do subscribe my channel and just press the bell icon for more videos like this. I'll be coming along with another interesting topic soon. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.